Hello Scorpions, this is the love reading for the month of November 2016. So the first set of cards which came out were playfulness, passion and chemistry. So this can be applicable for all the single Scorpions and the committed ones. So the messages are that there is a lot of chemistry between the two of you, the person whom you are interested in or the person with whom you are in a relationship with. So there is a strong magnetic attraction here. Then the second card is passion. You need to allow your heart and your soul to sing with joy. So whatever passion you are feeling currently right now, you need to go ahead and accentuate that passion. Then playfulness. To recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. So this card is applicable for the committed people or the people who are sometimes what happens is there are some misunderstandings, and because of that the relationship is not going forward. So for them this playfulness is required right now. So there is definitely lot of chemistry between the person with whom you are interested and you. So there is lot of chemistry, and what I feel with the clarification cards here is that some of you were having some kind of suspicion on your partner. For some of you this might be there, and you were stalking them or checking their messages and the call logs, and you were trying to find out that someone is there or they are flirting with someone else is there in their life. You were having this suspicion in your mind, but what happened is that you came to know that okay, you were at fault and whatever you were thinking was not true. So now what happens is that after this you will be more passionate about this person, because now you know that there is lot of loyalty, and I think Scorpions require passion and loyalty. These two things are what Scorpions always strive for in their relationship, in any kind of relationship, because they are a little bit possessive by nature. So they don't want their partner to flirt with someone else. They cannot bear that thing. Few signs are there which can bear that thing, but Scorpions definitely won't flirt with anyone else and will expect the same from their partners. Then the Chariot shows that you are, this can show two things. First, that the person whom you are interested in is a Cancerian, the Cancer, having a Cancer element in their chart. And second, it can also mean that you are going to have the control in your hand. Now if you are not having the control, the other person is going to have control over this relationship, and definitely you are going to march forward in this relationship, and now you are in hold of whatever is positive in this relationship and whatever is negative in this relationship. You are having the control of both the things, and you are going on this chariot forward in this relationship. Then the second card is calling in your soulmate. Now this is for the people who are single right now, who have not who are interested in a love interest. You are like you want love in your life. Currently you are not having that, and you are working on yourself, and you are calling upon your soulmate. So in the month of November it is quite possible that you are going to find someone. For some of you this might come true. So your prayers, affirmations and visualizations help bring you together. So whatever you are going to visualize and whatever affirmations you are going to have in your mind, so those are going to help you call upon your soulmate, because angels are going to help you to bring your soulmate and you together. Then this requires a lot of patience. So patience is the key. If you want to achieve anything in your life, definitely patience and hard work is required. And in the month of November, you are going to balance everything. Okay, you know your positive attributes and your negative attributes, and you are going to, create a balance, a beautiful balance, where you will be the, you know in a place which is going to give you more confidence, and you will be more attractive to other people. Now, for some of you, you were in some kind of relationship which was a very controlling kind of relationship. So, what was happening? There will be two factors, because of there can be two factors. Any one of them can be true for you. First of all, you were addicted to that person. There was a lot of addiction going on, and because of that addiction you were not able to leave that person. The breakup was a very big thing for you, and you had gone through a tough time. And for some of you, you were in a very controlling kind of relationship, where either you were the person who was controlling the other person, or the other person was controlling, or maybe both of you were trying to control each other, but because of that the relationship could not proceed, and there was a breakup. So this thing has made you a little bit tough. Okay, and it has also shown you, open your eyes, to whatever you have already, whatever mistakes you have made, and now you are more strong, and now you can more, move forward with more confidence, and with more knowledge base regarding this love situations, regarding love life. And now you are ready in that stage where you can call upon your soulmate. Now, retreat was the third message. So what I feel is, retreat is for the couples who, now feel that that much chemistry is not there, or maybe they are not able to spend time with each other. So this card shows that it's time that you should disconnect from the world. Now it's time when you need to, cut off from the world, spend few days with each other, go to some place where you both can, again rekindle the fire. Then this King of Wands, now this shows that you both are willing to work upon this relationship. Now this is possible that you both might be feeling currently that your relationship is not up to the mark, or it is not what you expected. But what I can see from the cards is that both of you are willing to work upon your relationship. So both of you want your relationship to go to the next level. And the next level which I see is this Four of Wands, where there will be lot of security. And Scorpions, I feel that you all want a very stable life, very secure life. You don't want to take chance, in the sense that you want a person who is there for you always, because you are so passionate about love that you will be always available to that person, you will be always loyal to that person, you will take care of that person. So you expect the same from that person. But what I can see is that if you feel that things are not going well right now, for some of you it might be possible, then you need not worry, because both of you know that you both love each other a lot, and both of you have that willpower, and that you are ready to put in that much effort. Now Ace of Swords tells that there is going to be a lot of communication, and communication is really required. It is quite possible that one of you or both of you might become blunt while these conversations or arguments, but definitely this is going to clear the air. Whatever fog was there, what was blinding both of you, or any misunderstandings were there, those will go off. Then crystal clear intentions is the message from the archangels. Be clear about what you desire and focus upon it with unwavering faith. You Scorpions are very passionate, and you have got that willpower. Use it to know what you really want in your life, in your relationships, what you really expect, and angels are definitely going to help you achieve that. Then claircognizance is the second message, which says that you need to pay attention to your thoughts and your ideas, and whatever is coming to you, these are in the form of the answered prayers. If you were going through difficult times, now angels are with you. Now they are helping you uh, call upon your soulmate. So I think this month of November is going to be a very lucky month for you Scorpions, and I wish that lots of love and happiness comes to you, and you enjoy this beautiful month. And I would like you to subscribe to my channel and comment and tell me how the reading went for you all, and please follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much.